Focus on yourself and stay silent. Focus on yourself. Not in arrogance, not in isolation, but in disciplined self-direction. The world is loud, opinions are constant, comparisons are endless. Everyone has advice about how you should move, think, build, or live. If you listen to every voice, you will lose your own. Growth requires selective attention. Energy is finite. When you scatter it reacting to noise, you weaken your progress. When you concentrate it on your craft, your habits, your mindset, you compound your results. Staying silent is not weakness, it is strategy. Silence gives you observation. It sharpens awareness. It prevents emotional reactions that drain momentum. When you stop announcing every plan, you protect your focus from doubt, both yours and others. Not every goal needs validation. Not every move needs explanation. Work does not need applause to be effective. Results will speak with more authority than words ever could. When you focus on yourself, you begin to measure progress internally rather than socially. You stop competing with timelines that are not yours. You replace comparison with calibration. Am I better than yesterday? Am I more disciplined than last month? Am I closer to the standard I set? This mindset builds psychological independence. You become less reactive and more intentional. Silence also strengthens emotional control. Instead of responding immediately,